Hi guys. I'm yes, I bought this create custom QR codes instant QR revolution from Joanna and friends, and I tapped into some problems because I'm German and I don't have Photoshop. I only have Photoshop Elements, so I just want to get the actions started in my Photoshop Elements version in German language, and I went to the Photoshop Elements help to see where to install the Photoshop actions. Here I found and that's the next exception. I am on a Mac, so German Photoshop Elements and Mac. But I think I got a way around to install the actions for my Photoshop Elements. So I looked for the my system, and then I got here the system, the library, where I will install the actions. Then if I double click on library, then application support, then Adobe, then next Photoshop Elements, and here the 10.0, then local, and for me it's DE because it's German, and then we have here, where are they? Photo creations, there must be the actions over here around. Okay, what's workflow panels. Workflow panels is a next directory. I have to look. So go to the workflow panels, and then there must be somewhere the ATN files. So actions. Yeah, there we are. Okay, my system a little bit slow. Okay, so and here I have downloaded actions. I just copy them here. So now there we are. And then you have to restart Photoshop Elements. I did that already. And then in German, it's here on the right hand. We have bearbeiten, like editing. And then let's have a look. Create. So, I think it's editing. So, effects. There are all the filters. No, that's not the filter. Here, assistant. That's the right one. Assistant. So you have to click on assistant, and then you have to go down here to action player, automatic actions, and action player, and then you can see all the actions from here WSO. But for me, the problem now is I think they don't work because I just go to social tier or something like that kind, but then the executable action doesn't show here. I think it depends on the language version of Photoshop Elements, and it would be very nice if you have extra for non-English actions like Germany or Italian or Spanish or whatever, because Photoshop and Photoshop Elements is available in all these countries. But only if you want to do this, otherwise I want to wait for your non-Photoshop version or something else. Okay, but that's a way to install the Photoshop actions into Photoshop Elements. I hope it can help you if you're an English guy and have the English Photoshop Elements. I think that's a way to do it. Okay, I think it's great help, and see you later. Bye bye.